Hey guys, welcome to the introduction of a brand new chapter on DC circuits. Okay, so before we go right into this DC circuit, just want to bring up this formula that we learned in the last chapter for resistance. Resistance is basically the ratio of potential difference over current, right? Okay, so one easy way of writing this will be basically to come up with this pyramid. So every time you want to find voltage or the potential difference, just circle that and then it goes to I times R. You're gonna find R is V over I and so on. Okay, so let me just show you one simple way of using this formula. Okay, every time you want to use this formula, you gotta make sure of this. Okay, you gotta make sure you got a wire resistance through it, and the resistance is called R. Okay, and to measure the potential difference, the potential difference is mainly difference, right? So you gotta have a probe before and after, so that actually measures V, the potential difference. And finally, what we're missing here? You're right, we're missing the current here. So current gotta be the amount of current that's flowing right through it. Okay, so here's the key. Okay, the key is sometimes, most of the times, okay, in our questions, it's not that straightforward. Okay, they would not just gonna give you this. Okay, sometimes they'll give you a couple of distractions on the left, couple of distractions, sometimes probably on the right. Okay, sometimes on the left, maybe a little bit more, and boom, whoa, we can see so many types of circuits here, right? So many resistances. Oh, and just when you think that it has gone too far, sometimes they even go inside that resistance. Okay, so what do you do when you see things like this? Okay, you just gotta remain focused. Don't worry about it. Okay, always remember when you are using this formula here, it's always talking about one resistor. Okay, but that resistor can actually consist of either a group of resistances or if it is outside that, so you don't consider them. Okay, just like this three resistance here, you can see there are three resistors inside this resistor R. Okay, so if you want to use this formula R equals V over I for this particular case here, you got to calculate what is the R for these three resistors. Okay, and then the I will be passing through it. There's one I value of I passing through it, not the one on top or bottom, but the main one. And the potential difference will be just the difference in potential before and after that group of resistors. Okay, so if it is outside, what do you do? Outside is pretty straightforward. Just basically just ignore that. All right. So with this, I hope that was a good introduction. Okay, don't worry about if you're not exactly sure how does this actually pan out later, but this is gonna pan out in the next couple of videos when I show you on DC circuits. Okay. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you guys in the next.